This secret origin story shaped our digital future. Its true beginning often surprises many. This secret origin story shaped our digital future. Its true beginning often surprises many. Today, artificial intelligence surrounds us, unseen and powerful. From smart assistants to complex medical diagnostics, AI is everywhere. But where did this transformative technology truly begin its journey? Its roots delve much deeper than recent Silicon Valley booms. Uncover the forgotten pioneers who first dreamed of intelligent machines. Our story begins long before computers were commonplace household items. In 1950, Alan Turing asked a profound question: could machines truly think, exhibiting human-like intelligence?
His seminal paper, Computing Machinery and Intelligence, was groundbreaking.
Was imitation game, groundbreaking, now known as the Turing test. This test evaluated a machine's ability to show intelligent behavior. Turing's visionary concepts laid essential groundwork for future AI research. He provided the philosophical and theoretical basis for machine minds. His work ignited a spark in many aspiring computer scientists. The official birth of AI occurred in the summer of 1956. A seminal workshop took place at Dartmouth College, New Hampshire. John McCarthy organized this crucial event for 10 prominent scientists.
Marvin Minsky and Claude Shannon were among the attendees.
They gathered to explore artificial intelligence, a term McCarthy coined. This workshop solidified the field. A term McCarthy coined. Marvin Minsky and Claude Shannon were among the attendees. These brilliant minds aimed to simulate human learning and creativity. They believed intelligence could be precisely described and simulated. Optimism was incredibly high for the future of thinking machines. Early successes quickly followed the Dartmouth workshop discussions. Alan Newell and Herbert Simon created the Logic Theorist program. This program could prove mathematical theorems, a major feat. It even discovered new, elegant proofs for some theorems. IBM's Arthur Samuel developed a checkers playing program. His program learned from experience, defeating its own creator. These early programs showcased immense potential for AI. However, the path was not without significant challenges and setbacks. Over-optimism led to grand promises that were hard to fulfill. This era eventually gave way to periods known as AI winters. Funding dried up as ambitious goals remained out of reach. Yet, the foundational ideas persisted through these difficult times. The concepts from Turing and Dartmouth never truly faded away. Today's advanced AI builds directly upon these early theoretical frameworks. Modern neural networks echo the early aspirations for learning systems. Large language models connect to the dream of human-like reasoning. These pioneers' vision now shapes our daily technological landscape. Understanding AI's origin reveals its enduring potential and journey. The future of intelligent machines truly began decades ago. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to explore more fascinating stories. Discover other hidden truths about emerging technologies. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to explore more fascinating stories. Discover other hidden truths about emerging technologies.